Now that we've got the green rolled out and in place, we're gonna let it sit here and stretch. It is a little bit of a cloudy day, but we're gonna let it just sit here and relax and let any of these roll lines in here just kind of work themselves out. Obviously we've got some extra, so we're gonna create a cut along the outside perimeter area here so we can free this larger piece out of the way, and we've got some ability to work. Now we're obviously not going to want to cut in too far, because in case we need any wiggle room to move the turf, we can do so. But as I said, it was important to try and line the turf up on your line originally so that we do not have to move or drag, and as you can see, we're right there on the line. So once we get the outside tabs cut off and the excess cut off, we're now going to start marking with our chalk and draw out the footprint of where our putting green is going to ultimately be.